Here in Mexico City at Central De Abasto, products come in from all over the world to be distributed throughout the city and rural towns. There's a lot of movement with cantaloupes, bananas, melons, and even Washington fruit headed all over the place. Alongside our state's delicious apples and potatoes, there are nice, fresh and juicy pears.
I'm Monica Moreno Arellano, and I represent in Mexico the USA pears, or the Pear Bureau Northwest. Most of the pears come to Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey, that are our three largest markets. But the wholesale market in Mexico City is the largest market for produce in general. And if you go to US and Washington, this is our main destination.
With Washington being such an amazing place to grow pears, Monica works very closely with Washington growers.
Of course, Washington is the largest pear grower in the US. Washington grows over 50% of the pears that the US grows. And Mexico is our number one export market.
How do these pears get here in such good shape, by the way?
So our growers work with packers and shippers that have great quality standards. Everything that you see here comes through an importer, and what happens is that these importers here in Mexico buy the fruit from our growers and our shippers, and then they come here. They truck them down all the way from Washington to Mexico City, and they get here in excellent conditions.
They do. They look fantastic. So we're in a wholesale market. Where does the general customer purchase their pears?
A normal customer, regular person that eats pears, can buy them either at the retail sector at supermarkets, or they can buy them at the traditional sector. In Mexico, the traditional sector is extremely important, and around 60% of the produce moves through the traditional sector. We call tianguis, that are these small street markets that come out once every week. We have another type of markets, and like 60% of the fruit goes through that. So if you're a regular consumer, you can go either to your favorite supermarket store or your favorite traditional market, and you can find USA pears.
How important is it to keep that trade relationship going between Mexico and the United States, and also Washington State?
The trade relationship between the US and Mexico is extremely important. We are the number one export destination for US produce. So for us, keeping that relationship between our shippers and growers and the Mexican trade is extremely important, and part of what we try to do every day.